Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So it looks like LIFE has been breaking out all throughout the day. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue going to tomorrow, what exact levels I would be looking to see if we can hold above going to pre-market and then go into open, and which exact indicators I would be looking for to have this continuation, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's remember this one. So I'm going to go over LIFE with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys how this one played out today. And then I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly which levels we're trying to hold above and break above going into tomorrow to have this continuation. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts for today. We mentioned LIFE in pre-market at about $6, jumping up to around $10.50 going to extended hours, looking to see if we can continue here. We also mentioned ATER testing $15, jumping up to around $19.90 going to extended hours. We also mentioned ATER last week at about $13. We're going to be careful with ATER, but if you guys want to see what might happen there, I mentioned them in the last video if you guys want to see what might happen. We also did mention DTSS at about $2.10, jumping up to around $2.70 on the day, up about 30% on that breakout. And lastly, one stock that I want to make sure we do keep an eye on going to tomorrow and has been continuing on going to extended hours, may have a continuation, is OCGN. OCGN had major news today. We continued on up from that news that we did have. Again, the World Health Organization giving Barrett Biotech, again, the company that they are partnered with for their COVID vaccine, could have a continuation on OCGN because of that news. Again, continuing on up with volume all throughout the day. I'm going to go over that with you guys in the next video. So definitely check out that video if you guys want to see what might happen there. But however, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert for today again. So as you guys can see here on LIFE, we have been continuing on up since pre-market, looking to see if we can continue to bounce off the 200 moving average. It looks like we came down on a large red candle. Again, that large sell volume spike came up, and as you guys can see, we bounced off the 200 moving average, came all the way back up to going to extended hours, and continuing on up going to extended hours at about 1050, as you guys can see here. Again, looking to see if we can bounce off the 200 moving average one more time to get that clean, strong continuation breakout going to tomorrow. But as you guys can see back on the 4-hour chart, I'm going to go over exactly what we are looking out for overall. And as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we have our continuation sell-off that we had previously in this stock I wanted to mention. And the reason I want to mention this is because, again, every single moment in time within a stock's period is very important. And as you guys can see, we had our continuation sell-off at this point. And as you guys can see, at about $10, we had that continuation sell-off. Going to extended hours today, we did have that spike at about 1050, and we are looking to see if we can hold above this $10 mark going to tomorrow. So in my opinion, going to tomorrow with LIFE, as far as a continuation, I'm going to be looking to see if we can hold over $10 going to pre-market. And then if we can hold over $10 going to pre-market, that could show us a lot of strength going to tomorrow to have a continuation. But however, we're going to keep in mind, LIFE had a run from $6 going up to $10.50 today. So again, a major breakout throughout the day. We may have a continuation sell-off because we did have news this morning. But however, going to tomorrow, again, holding over $10 going to pre-market would show us a lot of strength. And then going into open, continuing on up would be exactly what I'd be looking for. Again, breaking below $10 has been a very weak resistance that we want to make sure we do avoid, in my opinion. If we cannot hold over $10 going to tomorrow and respect that $10 support, then we could have a continuation sell-off since we are up about 70% from today. But however, we are going to make sure we do keep them on watch for a continuation. And if we do continue on past 10, we are going to be looking to see if we can break over 12. As you guys can see, we had our major bounce multiple times at this point, and we had our continuation sell-off exactly at $12. So again, holding over $12 going to tomorrow after we hold over 10 is what I would be looking for to have a continuation and major breakout. If we can hold over 12 and have that continuation, then we could have a possible major continuation here with LIFE. But again, LIFE, like I said, has been on quite the run. I wouldn't necessarily expect for it to break out going to tomorrow, but if we can hold over $10 going to pre-market, then we could have a lot of strength. We're going to definitely keep them on watch. But again, the market has been pretty choppy. I wouldn't necessarily expect for something to continue to run off of news, as most things have not. And as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we had that major spike on this buy pressure, giving us that confirmation on that momentum. So again, setting our alerts right above our previous buy pressure points are very key. And as you guys can see, we are breaking above our previous buy pressure point at this point right here. But however, we need to make sure we do break above our strong buy pressure point that we did have previously in this stock to get that strong momentum here on LIFE. So again, to set that alert, you come over to the plus sign here, you click add alert, and you put the alert right above your previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it at any point in time, even if this stock does happen to continue to sell off at any point in time, if this stock ever does have a major breakout and a possible major move, then we will be alerted on this major breakout. But ultimately, again, we're looking to see if we can have LIFE respect that $10 support going into tomorrow to have this continuation. But again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'll be doing. But again, LIFE definitely on the watch, and a pretty simple play in my opinion at this $10 range. But again, amazing run throughout the day. If you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instabulls that have been supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And definitely check out our ocgn video in the video after this if you guys want to see exactly how that one might play out. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.